Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Welcome back again, my wisdom warriors. I trust you are all doing well. But if you look on the screen, I'm going to start it off today because this young lady, her name is Moesha Mattis. She's a teenager and she's only 14 years old. Her address is Augustone Road, Kingston 7. And Moesha was last seen at home. Her mode of dress at the time she went missing is unknown. All effort to locate her have proven futile. When I hear that, my viewers and subscribers, take a good look at her. If anyone see her in a Fidem ends, in a Fidem area, anywhere, call the Augustone Police Station on 876-927-2184. Her name is Moesha Mattis. My viewers and subscribers, a lot of our young people has been missing lately. When I hear what I tell you now, a lot. Sometime, when I see me come out, I mention it, but I post things in my community. So, you can always check my YouTube community. If you check my YouTube community, I'm always active over there. So if you don't see me post video, you just go in my YouTube community because I'm ever active and I show up the things them over there. So I understand because I would say maybe about 9 person now. About 9 person over what? The last, I would say maybe 3 weeks is missing. You understand? I think 2 of them has been found so far. So my viewers and subscribers, these young lady going missing, we don't know what is happening to them. So we just need to all come together. So if anybody spot this lady, see her nowhere, please guys, make sure so you contact the nearest police station actually. You don't even have to be Augustone Police, but the nearest police station. Anyway, hear this. 7 of 8 American boys are now being housed at the residential childcare facilities amidst a probe into allegations of abuse at the Atlantis Leadership Academy in Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth last month. The academy, which advertises itself as a faith-based school, serves teens struggling with substance abuse, anxiety disorders, and deviant behavior. The boys aged 14 to 18 are now receiving medical support. My viewers and subscribers, when you hear all them something, when you see them things that them sitting here going long time, them something is going on long time. And guess what? I urge the CPFSA to check every boys' school and girls' schools. You understand? Anywhere they must stay. Anybody we help them, they need to go check them out. Yeah? Then go check the homes them where pick them there. Because me guarantee you so much more is suffering in silence. Much more is suffering in silence. You understand me? And these are the things we government will look at. These are the things and owners need to look at. This is why I always say, you want go in a dance a yard, but you must go abroad, go dance. You understand me? Enough people in our homes I get abused, Enough people in our homes, I get abused, my viewers and subscribers, And guess what? You have the head one, them a hide it, Them know what good on, and they hide it. Them hide it. You understand me? And you know what? You see like how them people are turn up unexpected because it has come to my attention that the CPFSA turn up unexpectedly. And this is what I want the child protection services to do all the time. I saw them if you turn up at the homes, them even if you don't hear nothing, you if you turn up because a whole heap of pitney suffer in a silence. My viewers and subscribers, I know pitney we in a homes, and when they turn big man, the abuse what they get. You understand me? The abuse what them get. You get me? Look at that girl. What's she name again? Monique. You remember Monique? Look at Monique when she did in the homes and what happened to her. And she said the whole of them know about it. She said the head people them know about it. Like the CEO, and nobody do nothing about it. I remember Andre Stevens was out there with her, protesting against these things, these same very things. You understand me? Enough people laugh after her and all these things. And it affect her. It affect her big time. These things are wrong. You understand me? Them a place that they need to have CCTV. They need to have camera in all of them places. Yeah. Them places need to have camera. And child protection services need to go at these boys' home or girls' home or all these homes unexpectedly. May I tell you no? Too much things is happening to our children. Too much things. And if you can't protect the one them in your country, how you going to manage to protect others? You understand? How you going to manage to protect others? We can't even help them one ourselves. You get me? It is just not right, my viewers and subscribers. And you know what? It is a good thing. I'm glad how they find out and they hear what was going on at that boys' school. I'm so happy they know what good on. And they are in a safe place right now. God is good. Who could it be but God? Who could it be but God? My viewers and subscribers, so tell me what you think about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. Elderly woman lives in chicken coop after suffering strokes. My viewers and subscribers, amidst the serenity of a Manchester community, a sad reality unfolds as an elderly woman, Norma Brown, battles illness in deplorable living conditions. Brown, who is over the age of 65, is cared for by her youngest child, Olisa Finley Scott, after suffering a major stroke 2 years ago, followed by 2 minor ones. When I hear them something, my viewers and subscribers, let me tell you something. You see, Andrew Owens are hype. Me tell you say them that have no vision and then have no ideas. Let me give you ideas now. Let me give you something. Yeah? And make sure someone implement this. My viewers and subscribers, tag them. You see, anytime, listen, first, let me say this. You see the hospital them, all hospital should work in partnership with housing trust. Yeah? All hospitals should work in partnership with child protection services and housing trust. You see, when time somebody come at the hospital, yeah, like how this lady suffer strokes and all these things, and then she go home, them supposed to look into it and ask. Them supposed to have people there. You understand? They're supposed to have people there will ask them if they need any help, if they have any home to go back to, if they have anybody to help them and support them and give them support and assistance. This is what they need to do. So when them Andrew Owens are run around like headless chicken are going like say him do the best for Jamaican people. No, you need to start work in partnership. You understand? With housing trust, or housing shelters, or whatever you want to call it. I don't know what you call it. You understand? But you need to same like with the children them. You need to work with the hospital. They need to work alongside child protection services too. You understand? I don't know if you don't have that going already. You understand? Not only about if a child get abused, but check if everything is going on well with the children. Look at this lady now. She suffers strokes and stuff like that. If them did a work alongside other different parties, then this lady would not have some home to go back to. This is why I say Andrew Owens, if you look into things and build up apartments, affordable apartments so Jamaican people can afford, not apartments for the rich. Apartments for poor people. So listen, my viewers and subscribers, if they build up apartments for the people them, it would be easier. It would be easier, my viewers and subscribers, because there's a lot of people when they go in a hospital. Some people, before they go in a hospital, they don't have no way. And then when they go in the hospital now, like the lady and she have the strokes, one bag or something, she don't have no home to come back to. A full couple the woman have to live in. You understand me? It's what I try to show you. But if the hospital them work alongside like them National Housing Trust, which the Housing Trust them need to start build up apartments. Remember, poor people can buy a house for 15 million, Remember say Andrew Holness house them at 20 million, you know, and they don't say Andrew Holness love Jamaican people. No, Andrew Holness for build up apartments for the Jamaican people when they can't even afford to rent it. I want 2,000 a week. Me I telling you straight up, want 3,000 a week. I saw it figure, and everybody, and listen, people stop rent them land right now, you know. People are use their land on a farm, you know. So a whole heap of people now go have nowhere to live, you know. Whole heap of people are going to on the streets. You understand? And these are the things why I say, Andrew Holness, I build up infrastructure. Everybody come out and I say, Andrew, I build up infrastructure. Yes, but who will benefit from it? Not Jamaican people. Are the investors them and stakeholders them. Because them the place there, it's private. It is private. So Andrew Holness have to do something now for Jamaican people. Let the hospital work alongside the child protection services also. I don't know if they might do that one day already. And the National Housing Trust. So they need to start build up apartments for the people them. Because this thing with this lady is ridiculous. She's very ill. She suffers strokes and she have to live in a fall cove. Seriously. So Andrew Holness never know about this one here. Because the way how he go on like in high almighty. He never know about this one here. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this.
If you have a good idea, don't let it go to waste. Give it to me, let me implement it.
My wisdom warriors, wanna hear Andrew Holness? Wanna know why I say this here? Because he know him a thief. Mark Golding ideas. And he knows say Mark Golding have the good ideas them. He knows say Mark Golding have vision, you know. He know that. He knows that Mark Golding have vision. This is why you see the whole of them a call upon Mark Golding here now. And I tell Mark Golding say, if he come and explain about the $3 million threshold. But Mark Golding, let me tell you something. Do not follow Andrew Holness. Because what they do, Andrew Holness do in thief your ideas and do not acknowledge you. This is why he come out right now and I talk about if you have ideas, if them have ideas, don't let it go to waste. Because he knows him a thief, he will Mark Golding ideas. This is what Andrew Holness do. He don't have none for himself. So why are you a leader? If you do not have a vision, why are you a leader? You understand me? It don't make no sense. That's why I'm telling you all the time, say Mark Golding is the real leader. And Mark Golding are the real leader, my viewers and subscribers, not Andrew Holness. Hear this.
I am the best baby father for ideas.
That claim cannot be substantiated because the Prime Minister himself has no clue of the DNA of ideas.
Mr. Damion Crawford, if I agree with you 150%, me agree with you. Mr. The man clueless when you come on to ideas. Me say you hit it where it hurts. The man is clueless when it come on to ideas, my viewers and subscribers. Clueless. A real thing, Damion Crawford, I say. Who remember when the little promoter them, the man them a keep them dance, and Andrew Holness then go lock it off. Who remember that? When the big promoter them a keep them dance, Andrew Holness no lock off that. So Andrew Holness favorite, the big one them, the big promoter them a them one the Andrew Holness favorite. In a favorite the little man them where I keep the little dance down the road, down the street. I never forget.
Was to be a D-zone, a party town. A space that had movie theater, dining, that you could go there from Senator Bunting 10 o'clock, 8 o'clock, and you will just have a full night with entertainment spaces, movie towns, and everything there. A party town. And not simply one big venue when we don't have 20 big events for the year. I am concerned because we have already lost one possible zone, which was Seventh Heaven. Which, when they had an event there, there could be no passing to the airport because of traffic. When that zone was identified, it was to be park and ride from out by Care, and not people driving all the way down to the venue. When it comes to the idea of the entertainment zone, Andrew Holness 99% probability that is not the father. And additionally, we are not signing any adoption papers because he has proven himself to be one of the greatest enemies of entertainment.
Yes, Damion Crawford, you are so right. Andrew Holness is the greatest enemy when it come to entertainment. And Babs the Green, she does sit back and allow Andrew Holness. She one next one, she agree with Andrew Holness too when it come to these things. Because, you see, and that's why I'm telling you all the while, look into things. Andrew Holness not care about poor people. He lock down poor people party. But when it come to the big party them, the big stage show party them, he never lock down them the one day. He never lock it down. He never lock it down. No, hey, listen to me, man. Andrew Holness, you're the greatest enemy for Jamaica. You're the greatest enemy when it come to Jamaican people. I see when you come and you take with the people them beach. And then now you can't talk about. You take with the people them beach and Andrew Holness. You know, I know when I hear you come out and say you go revoke it back and stuff like that. You know, say that. You say you go make a way. How you go make a way? How you gonna make way? I must river ya make people them go. I must that. You're a big joker, brother. Jamaican people have them beaches and can't even enjoy it. Other investors come at them and enjoy it. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. We have a beautiful island and we can't enjoy it just because I want to stake out. Just because of money. Put it like that. Just because of money. And I like so we have benefit from it. Taxpayers are pay how much money a year. Look how much money on collect other day. Over 80 billion taxpayer money. And everything we have to pay for. You claim say you build up highway, we have to pay for that if we are going through it. Everything. You claim say you build up apartments so Jamaican people can't afford it. Poor people cannot afford it. 15 million, 10 million, 20 million for one of your house, for one of your apartment. We cannot afford it, my viewers and subscribers. We cannot. This is why I come out all the while and talk against Andrew Holness. Because Andrew Holness do not have no vision. That's why you hear him say, if they have any ideas, give it to him. We don't see joke because all of Mark Golden ideas in TV, my Nigel Clark. So who are the real leader? It has to be Mark Golden. We don't need Andrew. Andrew a copycat. We don't want no copycat prime minister. We don't want no copycat prime minister, my viewers and subscribers. And I agree with Damion Crawford. 150,000% I agree with Damion Crawford. Yeah? I agree with the Damion Crawford. The man clueless prime minister we have around the place. Clueless. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think now? Put on an honest opinion in the comment section now. Like up the video, share it out. And subscribe to my channel. Guys, you can be a member of my channel, you know. Let me make it clear because everybody wants to support me. You can support me by becoming a member of my channel. So sometime I can, you know, I can have a one-on-one chat with you guys. Also, I can do a live chat with you guys. And you can have a badge next to the name so you stand out. You understand me? So that way, guys, you can support me. If we don't have the money, you don't have to worry on yourself. You understand me? But these are for the people where they keep on and say they want to support my channel. They want to support my channel. Guys, please, only can support my channel by become a patron. Join the membership. Let me put it on the screen so it's easy for you so you can see. My wisdom warriors, you can see this is my main page and it shows, yeah, you can see membership there. Look, it said home videos shorts community. And I'm going to just skip across. Look, hold on, wait. So home videos shorts community is just there. And then see membership. So what I want you guys to do is click on membership. And then it takes you down to the perks. This is what the membership tab looks like to members of Team Gang. So if you want to support my channel, guys, you can just click, yeah, and become a member. You have month one badges, different colors. And it have a custom emoji that comes with it also, and you get priority reply to comments, and I shout you out, and we can have members only live chats also, guys. And even when I post videos also, only for my members to see. So this is the way you can support me, okay? You can support my channel by becoming a member, becoming a patron of my channel, all right? Thank you, guys. You can see, as you see, there's a video that I post, but it's only members can see it, all right? It's them in a serious problem. This is the one I posted last night, guys. So, all right, thank you for supporting my channel.